Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. These receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service on Wednesdays on 11 a.m. and noon. For emergency weather or existing severe weather agents in the area, will be postponed until the following day. All types of tests of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarms in Ohio. The voice of the National Weather Service. The broadcasting from the frequency of 1 from The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Climersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Chicago, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Albany, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Climersville, Ohio. Hero of 11. No weather radio under local information. We now return to normal program.